Uh, there it goes. Alright. I'm going to show everybody who asked me why my car is so dirty exactly what I have to do to get to my house. And remember, I gotta come back out this way too. Anyhow, we're going past my second cousin William's house, and coming up, this is the worst spot in the road, right up in here. And this is even after it's dried out a couple of days. Anyhow, there you go. You can imagine what it's like when it's real wet. Alright, we're coming up. This used to be the worst spot right here, but I put some rock on it last year because this car got stuck up to the axles and had to pull it out with a tractor. That's I think about 3 loads of rock, big dump trucks. Now this is nothing. This ain't nothing here. Coming up to this tree, just jog around it. Used to be another place where people would get stuck. Here's some rock on that. Coming up, here's my gate that I put up to keep people away from my house. This used to be pretty bad here, but see right there, somebody had dumped some roof tiles there, and ceramic roof tiles, and I chopped them up and threw them up in here after putting down brick. So there's brick roof tiles on top of it. Anyhow, that's what I gotta go through. That's why my car looks so dirty all the time. People wonder why I don't keep my car looking so pretty. Poor old motorcycle. You see that? It used to be a PG&E truck that I bought secondhand, 4-wheel drive. I've been stuck in that thing too.